Welcome to the Heritage Subaru Catonsville Service Department. We always want our customers to have the best experience, and that's why we'd like to introduce you to our service process. To begin our quick and easy service check-in process, just pull up to the service lane doors and one of our service advisors will guide you in. Once inside, our quick check-in process really begins. Whether scheduling your service online or a walk-in, we'll get some information and details about your vehicle, and then do a walk-around inspection. After finishing the inspection, your service advisor will walk you over to the service desk to complete the check-in process, reviewing your vehicle's maintenance needs. Once your vehicle is checked in, you can stay and relax in our comfortable lounge with our free Wi-Fi, beverages, and snacks. We also offer a shuttle service that will take you anywhere you need to go, up to 5 miles away. And no worries if you can't make it to us during business hours. Just take an envelope from the box, fill out your information, and just drop your keys in the slot on the door. At Heritage Subaru Catonsville, we try to make your service visit as quick and seamless as possible. And as always, we aim to provide you an exceptional experience every time you visit us.